Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we begin a journey toward a simple, peaceful, and meaningful life. We live in a world full of noise, pressure, and confusion, but a simple life is not far away. It starts with small choices starting today. Clear your mind. A simple life begins with a simple mind. Too many thoughts create stress. Reduce mental noise. Stop checking your phone first thing in the morning. Spend a few minutes in silence. Say no to unnecessary thoughts, tasks, and people. Focus on one thing at a time. Protect your attention. Every night, remove mental clutter and let your mind rest. Clean your environment. Your surroundings shape your mood. Remove physical clutter from your room, desk, and phone. Keep only what adds value. Create a small, peaceful corner for yourself. Control your digital space. Choose people who bring peace. Clean a little every day. Simplicity is built daily. Control your time. Life becomes complicated when time is wasted. Know where your time goes. Reduce distractions and time leaks. Focus on only 3 important tasks each day. Break big tasks into small steps. Say no to time-wasting activities. Create a simple daily routine and stop rushing through life. Let go of heavy emotions. Release the past. Accept your emotions instead of fighting them. Don't take everything personally. Protect your emotional energy. Practice emotional minimalism. Less reacting, more calmness. Rest when you need to. Live with less pressure. Stop chasing perfection. Stop comparing your life with others. You are on your own journey. Don't try to please everyone. Set simple goals. Slow down your lifestyle. Be kind to yourself and enjoy small moments. Focus on what truly matters. Know your real priorities. Choose people who support your growth. Reduce material confusion. Focus on growth, not approval. Choose quality over quantity. Live in the present moment. Align your life with your values and keep balance. A simple life is not about having less. It's about having more peace, clarity, and freedom. Choose simplicity over stress. Because when you focus on what truly matters, life becomes lighter, calmer, and more beautiful.